We all know that often it's healthier for your body and for your bank account to eat at home. However, who really has the time? Even stay-at-home moms and dads struggle to find the time to cook a delicious and nutritious home-cooked meal every day. Between work, kids, friends and family, cleaning, managing life, catching up on your favorite episodes, and maybe even a quick trip to the gym, dinner time can rapidly appear without warning. Surprisingly, dinner time occurs every day around the same time, and we're still startled when it shows up. Ah! Dinner! Oh, boy. Whew.
Am I supposed to add that?
You can now.
Damn it!
It's like declaring a state of emergency when your kids grow out of their shoes. Why didn't anyone tell us they grow so fast? Oh, God. Oh, darn my imaginary kids. I'm Mike with List 25, and while we can't help you with your kids' growth rate, we can maybe help you and ourselves by providing you with these 25 yummy slow cooker recipes to help dinner go smoother. And just so you know, the links to the full recipes can be found in the written version of this list, which you can get to by clicking the link in the description below.
Neat.
It's the one with list25.com in front of it.
Oh, I went to Yahoo.
That'll work. #25. Beef stew. Most of what we think of when we think of slow cooker is stew and beef. Let's start off this list with something to satisfy the cliche stereotype. After taking about 20 minutes to brown the meat and prep the gravy and veggies, testing the wine is optional, we can leave it alone for 8 hours. This is a hearty classic with savory veggies to complement the beef. #24. Cuban Sandwich. A Cuban sandwich from a slow cooker? Unfortunately, our crock pots don't currently have the capability to assemble sandwiches for us, but most of the prep work for you is just that, sandwich assembly. This slow-cooked pork beats the ubiquitous PB&J, and it's a huge improvement from your local sub shop. There's even a video for this one.
Take back what you said about the PB&J.
Well, I mean,
Take it back.
I like PB&J.
It's better than the Cuban.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa. 23. Spicy fajita soup. This delicious soup is sure to turn up the heat. For those of you who love fajitas and love soup, this is for you. The bonus? It's on this list, so it's something you can just throw in the crock pot. 22. Chicken and quinoa minestrone. Quinoa is all the craze these days. Is it still? Sure, why not? And there's no wonder with how healthy and easy it is to add to many meals. While rice and pasta have their place, this minestrone gives quinoa its due turn with a new take on a classic. Yummy and delicious. What else could you ask for? 21. Spaghetti squash and meatballs. Pasta is great. Pasta all the time is boring. Not to mention that it's not so great for our bodies. Spaghetti squash is an amazing magical veggie that takes the place of pasta and adds a lot more nutrition. Try this new way to serve up spaghetti and meatballs next time you just can't take pasta anymore. 20. Baked spaghetti. For those not quite sick of pasta, this baked spaghetti is a great spin on the traditional recipes out there. The flavors and seasonings have extra time to marinate too, as it's in the slow cooker for several hours. There are great photos and a video for this recipe too. 19. Chicken noodle soup. This is another classic dish, but not one we normally associate with the slow cooker. With all of your yummy standard ingredients, this soup will not disappoint, and you can still accomplish that to-do list while you let it simmer for 8 hours. 18. Beef and broccoli. This slow cooker version of beef and broccoli is super easy, even as these type of recipes go, and is sure to delight your whole family. It's especially great for a night when you want Chinese but don't want to eat out or slave over the stove. 17. Creamy chicken pot pie. Who doesn't love pot pie? Okay, you over there, I see you. Just skip this one. For the rest of you who know how amazing and filling pot pie can be, this is for you. It's soul food. This recipe combines about 4 hours in the slow cooker and about 40 minutes in the oven, and it's from Pillsbury, so just imagine those biscuits. I didn't mention a
real
pig.
quick.
I didn't mention
I'm
a
not
pig.
here to do the pig thing. Though you did mention chicken, which, how different are they really?
Pretty different.
Relatively.
One's a bird.
If any of you guys have Publixes where you are, congratulations, because Publix is fantastic. Oh, I still have a name tag. So, Publix has a pot pie. Go get the Publix Deli chicken pot pie. It's amazing. Has nothing to do with the slow cooker. You can still do that. But the chicken pot pie at Publix, holy crap. Go get that.
And then shove it in your slow cooker.
I mean, you never know what'll happen.
This episode of List 25 brought to you by Publix, apparently. Oh, God.
My name tag.
I'm so proud of you. I apologize for everything.
It's
16. Stuffed peppers. Love stuffed peppers, but don't want to take the time to wait around for them to bake? Here's a great solution. You basically brown the beef with some seasoning, stuff the peppers, and let your slow cooker do the baking. Like most of the other recipes, about 30 minutes of prep time, and 6 hours later, you can come home from those errands, work, or school to delicious stuffed peppers. 15. Breakfast casserole. This dish is actually a breakfast meal. You can choose to go the traditional route and cook it overnight for breakfast or the next morning, or you can have breakfast for dinner. After all, variety is the spice of life, as the magical they say. Sausage, eggs, cheese, hash browns, half and half, all the breakfast goodies in one pot waiting for you when you're ready 7 to 10 hours later. 14. Red lentil cauliflower curry. So many slow cooker dishes include beef, chicken, or pork, which is not very encouraging for meat-free food lovers. Here's a curry that will satisfy carnivores and herbivores alike with its intense flavor. It's also a great way to get rid of those lentils that have been sitting in your cupboard for who knows how many months. Years? Years. Oh, I gotta get rid of those lentils. 13. Chicken gyros. Still looking for something different than that beef stew? How about a Mediterranean twist? Gyros, anyone? Like one of the earlier entrees, the most time-consuming part to this is probably assembling the sandwich. You could probably even cheat and buy pre-made tzatziki sauce at the store. I won't tell anyone.
Yes, he will.
I know, Karen. You bought that tzatziki sauce from the store. Yeah, I'm calling you out. 12. Kahlua pork with cabbage. Here's another super easy low prep work recipe. Plus, if you've ever wondered yourself who actually eats cabbage anymore, what do you even do with it? Now is your chance to step out of your comfort zone and try something new. The smokiness from the seasonings is sure to give both the pork and the cabbage a mouth-watering flavor.
Oh, my cabbages!
11. Vegetarian lentil chili. Hopefully we haven't lost the attention of the vegetarians. This meatless chili only requires you to chop and dump. Chop the veggies, dump all the ingredients, and you're good to go for 8 hours. This recipe is jam-packed with nutrients and yumminess. Is that a word? No? No, it is now.
Sounds like a word.
It's a word. 10. Zucchini lasagna. Here's another recipe that you wouldn't normally associate with a crock pot. Prepare to set aside those preconceived notions and check out this refreshing take on lasagna. 9. Baby back ribs. Did you know that you can make baby back ribs in the slow cooker? It's amazing what you can do with that slow cooker that's been collecting dust on the top of your refrigerator, isn't it? That is oddly specific. After placing all the ingredients in the crock pot and leaving it for 8 hours, you just need to bake it for about 10 minutes. 8. Beef stroganoff. With a creamy texture and flavorful ingredients, this hearty meal will be amazing to come home to. This is also a quick recipe, as far as slow cooker recipes go, as it only needs to simmer for about 4 hours and only requires about 10 minutes of prep work. Yes, the quick 4-hour and 10-minute meal. 7. Broccoli and cheese soup is always a great soup for lunch, dinner, as a major accompaniment to another entree, or, never, because broccoli's terrible. This slow cooker version sticks with classic flavors and ingredients and is sure to delight body and soul.
Broccoli is delicious and nutritious.
And it's awful.
It's wonderful.
Awful.
It's the best vegetable.
Worst.
One of the best foods.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
You're on my side.
Fine. Broccoli's amazing.
No.
Yes. What do you hate about broccoli?
It's gross.
Add a little salt, maybe a little bit of butter. It's fantastic.
Well, now you're just ruining the salt and butter with broccoli.
Hey. The salt and the butter, they complement the broccoli.
They complement each other.
No. Broccoli's amazing.
It's so bad.
Okay. I don't know what to do. There's nothing to do.
Not serve me broccoli.
What vegetables do you like?
Whatever.
But not broccoli.
No.
You don't like the best vegetable.
Ugh.
This is worse than the crispy versus floppy bacon thing.
Oh, you would ruin bacon by putting broccoli on it.
No, I think you actually, there's times when they can go together.
No.
Yes, there is.
Half of it doesn't work.
I found out that Liz likes floppy bacon.
Yes! Best day ever. 6. 5-ingredient steak fajitas. Who's up for some fajitas? Not only does this recipe look amazing, it also only needs 5 ingredients. Bring it on. 5. Thai seafood boil. We know that many slow cooker recipes are best suited for cooler months or for when you really want a warm and hearty meal. However, this recipe is great for summer as it adds cooling flavors like dill, mint, and lemongrass while keeping healthy veggies and delicious seafood in the mix. Try it at your next family or neighborhood cookout. 4. Tritip salad. Speaking of summer, doesn't this salad look amazing and refreshing?
I hope so.
Me too. Of course, the salad greens don't go in the slow cooker, not with that attitude, but the meat does. This is a great idea to change up what you normally do with slow cooker meat. You can find the recipe for the salad, the dressing, and the tri-tip all on one page. Link below. Click it. You want to click it. 3. Pork chops with apple butter and potatoes. Some people are all about meat and potatoes. If you're one of those people, what do you think about meat, potatoes, and apple butter? Wait, what? Apple butter? This recipe looks as delicious as it is curious. This is also a great recipe for getting in a good serving of spinach. 2. Cheeseburger soup. Here is one final summer recipe. Normally, burgers go on the grill. However, this amazing dish is done all in the slow cooker. It even gets topped off with fries. Whew. Yeah, all right.
It does look good.
It looks amazing.
I mean, I know what the picture looks like.
Oh,
It looks good.
I see that. Wow.
No, you don't.
1. Chocolate lava cake. There are some nights after a long day when dessert is just not optional. There is no judgment over here. Go ahead and order that takeout, pick up that pizza, or just, you know what, skip dinner altogether because tonight your slow cooker is going to be getting busy with something else. We couldn't leave you without adding at least one dessert. How is chocolate lava cake for a grand finale? You're welcome. So, what's your favorite slow cooker recipe? Let us know in the comments below, or tweet your answer to us at list25. You say you use the slow cooker a lot. It's
do.
become your best friend over the past 2 days.
Which you said is weird.
Well, if your best friend is an appliance, you're... Andy
But hey,
from
my
Toy
best
Story.
friend cooks me dinner. So that's pretty neat.
I don't cook you dinner, buddy.
No, I don't have a response to that. But last night I had a garlic chicken with a brown sugar baste.
Ooh. Mm-hmm. How long did it take?
I think it was like 5 hours.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's quick. There should be slow cooker restaurants.
But there,
You get there, Wade.
that's no wait, terrible.
Be seated. Your dinner will be ready in 8 hours.
See, now I need to get 2 slow cookers, one for the dinner and one for the chocolate lava cake.
Why not both? Oh, you want it after the dinner?
Yeah.
After the slow cooker dinner?
Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly. So,
Alright.
one slow cooker is
I don't remember
making
if I
my
have
lava
one.
cake.
I might have one.
There,
cook on the stove
there,
usually.
a lot of these do have alternative options. Like it's
Nope.
you let it cook for 8
No,
hours,
you
or
have to do it exact.
or you cook it on high for 4 hours.
That'll just burn your place down.
What? No, it won't. Either way, go get a slow cooker. It's a great investment.
Enjoying our lists? Be sure to click that subscribe button on the bottom right and the notification bell so you don't miss out on new ones every Monday through Friday. Share them with friends and help us consistently conciliate curiosity. And if you want even more lists, check out these videos here or just head to our website at list25.com.